GM, guys and girls interested in NFTs. This is your daily NFTs minute. I'm Bright Future Guy, and here comes super short episode for Monday. And I'm gonna talk about an unhappy subject, but an interesting project called CrushCancer NFTs. So listen up. And here we go. Today I'm talking about the CrushCancer NFT. CrushCancer NFT is basically a collection of 1,000 3D realistic looking strong females which are minting now. They start minting on April 30th, not the ideal date if you ask me, because the weekend was focused on Yuga Labs and Bored Apes Yacht Club and the Otherside land mint, but you know, what can you do? Timing is sometimes not perfect. These 1,000 unique 3D realistic strong women NFT characters are basically showing the picture of chemo survivors or people living with cancer. It's one of the projects which has a great cause, has a relatively small community right now, which I guess team definitely needs to work on. Right now, it's a collection of 1,000. They want to bring it back up to 5,000 later on. And, you know, the main goal is basically to support women suffering from cancer and the cancer suffering. They plan to donate 50K to Hope Kits. Hope Kits are basically things which these are kits which cancer patients receive to kind of make their day, I would say. Includes, you know, different things like Tumblr, Thrive Cosmetics, lip balm, inspirational bracelet, educational resources, and, you know, Hope Journal and pen. And all around the world, actually, these Hope Kits are relatively known between cancer patients. And CrushCancer NFT wants to shower people suffering from cancer with kindness. That's not me, that's a quote. Minting already started, team is fully doxed, and maybe a little bit light on the technical side, but you know, definitely the founder, I'm sure she's working on it, founder Chanel. If you are asking what's the maximum amount mintable, it's 5 per wallet, and they have something interesting which is called the Cancer Foundation Index. It's a group of foundations with a similar goal, Crush Cancer, and the funds are distributed to the index in an even way. So, you know, if you check their index collection, basically the index breakdown will give you the different cancer fighting foundations, and these are the ones you will be supporting by buying your new interesting PFP, or basically just buying an NFT with an interesting 3D character. If you want to know more, check them out at CrushCancerNFT.com, and I definitely recommend to give it a thought because the cost is definitely worth it. And that was it for today, guys and girls. I promised you a short episode for Monday, and that was it. Check out CrushCancerNFT.com and stay tuned for tomorrow.